guys, welcome to your 7th Visual Basic tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with the if statement. To begin, let's create a new project. Let's name this VB Lesson 7. Hit OK. You're going to learn a little something new about where you declare your variables will change how they're going to be used. So, let's say dim a as integer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check a Boolean condition. Remember, that is something that can be either true or false using an if statement. So far, you only have one new thing to learn, guys. Alright, so if, and then this is going to say a is less than 20, then this condition, if condition is true, then print the following: console dot write line variable a is less than 20, and our if. Oh, it's already ended for us. And then end the if statement. We're going to say console dot write line, and we're going to say the value of a is make sure you set a equal to 10. Give yourself another write line and say, press any key to continue. Say console dot read line Let's go ahead and run our application. Now, if we had a equal to 21, the value of a is 21. It will no longer show because this condition is false. If we wanted to make our program more robust, what we could say is else dot write line, console dot write line, variable a is greater than 20. We're going to end the if, and now we're going to hit the green go. Variable a is greater than 20, and then it shows the value. What's happening now is we have the else clause. So if, then, if the if isn't true, then we go to the else clause. If it is true, then we do this. You see how that works, guys? We have even more leverage with our program because we have something called the if, else, if. And how that works is on this else clause right here, we're going to take this 20, this a variable, and set it equal to 100. Now we're going to check. Does a equal 10? If that's true, a equals 10. Now we're going to check. Is else if, so else if a A equals 20, however, then we're going to say A equals 20. We're going to copy and paste this because writing an if-else if can get kind of repetitive. So to save yourself some time, we can copy and paste. We have our clause being checked continuously. Does A equal 10? No. Does A equal 20? No. Does A equal 30? And we're going to do all of this up to 100. Alright, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, not 1,000, 100. So now I'm going to check my else clause. Does this equal 30? Does this equal 40? Does this equal 50? And so on, and so on, until you reach the end. Alright, now what we're going to do is run it. It shows it because it's the last clause. And we need to think, what if the user puts in a number that that's not 100, that's none of those options. Not input number. And we set this 199. Your number wasn't understood. Value of A is 199. In our next tutorial, we'll be learning more about, we're going to learn about the select case statement. I'll see you guys then.